Hi everyone, in this video we will do a fully free AI code generator setup and we will use this Gemini 2.0 Pro and it is completely free guys. They have released this Gemini 2.0 Pro yesterday and they have also written that it has the strongest coding performance and ability to handle the complex prompts with better understanding and reasoning of world knowledge. And the interesting thing is that it comes with the largest context window at 2 million tokens. So that means you can upload 10,000 lines of code and you can ask the issue that you are facing in your code, or you can ask it to generate or add some features in your existing code. So before using this Gemini 2.0 Pro, let me show you how you can access through this web. Okay, so if you go to this aistudio.google.com and this link interface you will get, and here on the right hand side you will find this model options, and here you will find this Gemini 2.0 Pro and this experimental 0205. That means it is a 5th February this model was published. So select this and here you see that this input output cost is $0 and this processes 10,000 lines of code and call tools natively and like search and stream images and videos in real time, right? And now here you see that you will find this option to ask the question. So let me ask it one question and after that we will do the setup with the VS Code. So if I press enter, here you see that I have asked name a country whose name starts with the letter S and ends with land, provides its capital city, and the answer is Switzerland and the capital city is Bern. So we got the answer. In this way you can use this Gemini 2.0 Pro experimental model by using this web interface. Now to use this with the VS Code, install this Cline and RooCode in this VS Code, and after that open this Cline. On the left hand side you will find the icon. So first I will show you the client setup, then I will go for the RooCode. Okay, so open this client and here you will find this API provider and here select this open router. We will use this open router to do the setup, and here in this drop down select the open router. Now I have given one link in the description box, this open router link for this Gemini Pro 2.0 experimental. Here you will see and it is completely free. And here just scroll down below and here you will find the model name. You see that this is the model name, and copy this model name from here and open your VS Code, go to this client and just paste it here. Okay, also when you will paste it you will find it in the drop down. Okay, just select it, and now we need the open router API key. Now for that, so here you will find this create API key option. Okay, so under this API tab you have to go, this is the API tab, just go there and you will find this create API key option. Okay, and click on this create API key, and after that click on this create key. Okay, and you will find this interface, and here give a name, and after that click on this create and you will get the API key. Now copy that API key and paste it here, and after that click on this done, and now you are good to go to use this client. Now if I ask a simple habit tracker website, normally if I build it with the HTML, CSS and JavaScript and press enter, you will see that it will do the API request and it will implement all of these things. Now this was the procedure for the client, and if you go to this RooCode also you will find the same option. So go to this settings and here you will find this API provider, select here the open router and paste your API key here also, and here you have to select the model, and after that click on this done. And here also if I paste the same prompt like build a habit tracker website, so using React.js you can do, or using Next.js you can do. Okay, but for the time saving purpose I am just generating the simple vanilla JavaScript project. So if I press enter, here you see that it will do the API request and it will give me the result. So here you see user wants a build habit tracker website and all the code is populating on the right hand side, and if I click on the save, so it will do the API request. Okay, and it will do the API request for the CSS, JavaScript, and we will get all of the code. So here you see that now I got the CSS code. So I hope you got the point that how to use this, guys. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. And see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.